Hi boys and girls, we're going to do some dictation with Unit 6, Week 1. We're focusing on prefixes. Remember, prefixes go before base words. Prefixes are not words, they're just little pieces of words that go before a base word, and these prefixes can completely change the meaning of the base word. So for the first part of dictation, I want to see number your board 1 to 6 and see how many prefixes you can come up with that take the base word and they make it the opposite. It means the opposite because it's in front of it. So there are 6 that we talk about in this unit. See how many you can find on your own. So pause it, give it a few minutes, try to figure it out, and then come back. Okay, here are the 6. We have number 1, dis. Number 2, un. Number 3, non. Number 4, ill, like illegal. Number 5, im, like immature. And number 6, in, like inappropriate. All right, good job. Okay, now I want you to write the prefix that means to do again. To do again. It's re, like re-watch, re-test, re-read, retake. Lots of them. So it just means to do again. All right, the next word is, oh, it's not a word, sorry. The next prefix I want you to write is the one that means before. Before. It's the prefix that means before. So we have pre, like prefix goes before the word. Preview is you watch it before the movie. You see the preview. All right, good. The next word is remake. Remake. Mark it. Remake. We have an open syllable prefix, re. Make is a V-E word with a long A and a silent E. All right, the next word is unlikely. It is unlikely that it is going to snow in July. Unlikely. All right, unlikely. We have a prefix, un. That's a closed syllable prefix because it ends in a consonant, a short vowel. Like is a V-E word with a long I. And ly is an ly. That is a suffix, and that is a easygoing consonant suffix, ly. You can just slap it on the end there. Unlikely. All right, the next word is disinfect. I had to disinfect the desks today. Disinfect. All right, here we go. We have dis, which is a closed syllable prefix. Then we have in, which is a closed syllable. And then we have fect. Now listen carefully. Kt, kt. The CT blend is really hard to hear sometimes. I know sometimes it sounds like a KT, but at the end of the word here, you're going to hear a kt. It's going to be a CT. That's a closed syllable. All right, the next word is unlucky. Unlucky. He was unlucky because he never won. Unlucky. All right, let's see if you mark this one right. This one was a hard one to get correct with marking. That Y is a suffix. That's a suffix. The base word luck. So otherwise, it's a closed syllable prefix, un, and then luck is a closed syllable with a short vowel. All right. The next word is misbehave. I hope you don't misbehave when there's a substitute. Misbehave. All right, here it is. Misbehave. So we have MIS, that's a closed syllable prefix. B is an open syllable. And have is a V-E with a long A. Good job. All right, the next word is Polite. Impolite. She was impolite when her friend came over. All right, it's M with an M. That's the prefix. M is a closed syllable prefix. Then we have polite. Depending on how you say this, the way that I say it or hear it is polite. So that O would be a schwa, making that an open syllable exception because that's not a long sound. If you said impolite, but I don't know, maybe you say that. I don't know. Light is a V-E syllable. Good job. We've got one more. All right, for the next word, we're going to have some help from Gary.
Hey, Gary, what you doing there?
Oh, just retaking this test. It says...
Oh, what does it say?
It says, if a unicorn ate a juice box, would the juice box grow legs?
Oh, the answer is yes. Type yes. Now, Gary, now!
This is weird. So that was retest. Retest. Open syllable, prefix, test, closed syllable. Good job, boys and girls.